Hi everybody, on this video episode, I'm gonna guide you on how to make a withdrawal on 7 stars. First of all, put your username and a password. You are logged into a website called 7 Stars Donation, okay? 7stardonation.com. Click enter. As you log into back office, you go into actually here on financial. You will click on withdrawal. You actually put the amount, how much you want to withdraw. I will withdraw it $260. All right, $260. Put your password. Remember that you are withdrawing with the USDT Polygon network, okay? USDT Polygon network. So $360, okay? They charge me a fee of $21, and so that we receive a $338, and it takes you up to 2 hours for you to receive a new wallet. Just click over here, withdraw. All right. Withdrawal requested. Check your email address. I have to go to your my email address. As you see here, confirm the withdrawal requested. Okay. What I do now is very simple. All right. So to confirm your withdrawal stuff, click over here, authorize the withdrawal. All right. Withdrawal has been confirmed. So you receive your request, the amount, discount rates. Okay. In form wallet. So that means I'm going to receive it in my back office. Okay. So if I go back here into the back office, you actually can see that the amount has been taken. All right. So just waiting for the money. This is 7 Stars. Thank you so much, you guys, and I see you in the next episode.